to look at is how to add duration. So as you can see, this is the original duration. This is where we add it. By default, my own is 2. Your own can be anything. So all you need to do is to change it to the appropriate duration. So I will scroll up here again. I will scroll up, starting from the beginning. You see the duration here. This one is 2 hours. So I'll just come here. I will write 1 day because my duration is in days. Okay. So this one is 2 hours as well. I'll put 1 day. Then the next one is 2 days. So I'll put 2 days. Okay. So since they are not up to 1 day, so I just put 1 day. That's what I did. Now, when you look at the next one is 14 days. So you can see it here. 14 days also here. Okay. So now you see the next one is 30 days. All of them 30 days. So I put 30 days. I put 30 days. I put 30 days. Okay, so I will go to site works. So for site works, I will start 4 days, 8 days. So I'll be fast. 4 days, 8 days, 2 days, 1 day. So for full welding is 4 days. Then post welding, post-dimensional check is 1 day. NDT is 1 day. Hydro test 1 day. Then so we have coating is 3 days and loadout is 2 days. It's 2 days. Okay. So let's take the next one. The next one, isolation is 1 day. While spading is 2 days. So we have purging is 4 days. Then we have breaking of the valve is 3 days. Unbolting the valve is 2 days. And we have 2 days as well. Okay, so we'll go to the next one, which is mobilization of flange under installation of spool. Under installation, we have mobilization of flange 2 days. We also have 1 day for lifting. We have welding 6 days. Then we have installation of valve 3 days. NDT 2 days. Hydro test 3 days. And then we have touch-up painting 2 days. So PSSR 2 days and 2 days for commissioning. Then we'll go into the mob. So we'll go into the mobilization and closure. So we have 3 days for housekeeping. We have 3 days for housekeeping. 3 days for housekeeping. Then we have as you drawing 14 days. Then we have the mob equipment 2 days, 2 days, and 2 days for housekeeping. So this is just all. This is how to add duration. Remember, we have done how to estimate the duration so that you understand why I'm adding this duration. Okay. Yeah.